Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Beauty Intakes. If you are new, hi, I'm Divya. So winters are here and so is the issue of dull, dry and flaky skin. If you have also dry skin, then you also know what winters are like, how horrible it is to deal with those flaky skin around the mouth or here in the nose. So if you have also faced the similar issue, then I have got a face pack idea for you that works really well if you have dry skin. Or even if you have combination to oily skin, you can just alter the ingredients amount and can apply this as well. And so yes, let's get started.
The first ingredient that you will be needing is milk cream. You will be needing half teaspoon of milk cream. The second is juice of half a lemon, that is half teaspoon you could consider. And the third ingredient is honey. You will need 1 teaspoon of honey. So these are the ingredients and now we'll mix them, and this is what it finally looks like after mixing. And now I'll be applying it on my face, focusing on the areas where I get most dried up. Around the mouth I have very dry skin, a little bit on the forehead and around the nose. Apply it evenly, a thick layer, all over your face on a clean face. Milk cream has high moisturizing properties and honey has anti-inflammatory properties, so it will take care of your skin in winters. You can extend it to your neck as well, and lemon juice helps in adding glow to your skin by removing tan, and it's also a natural bleaching agent. Keep it off for 10 minutes, and after that you need to do a gentle massage so that it is absorbed by your skin very nicely. And after massaging gently, you need to wash it off with warm water. Here specifically you need to use warm water because if you don't want your milk cream to turn greasy over your skin.
So yes, that's how easy it was. You can use this face pack for 3 times a week, and ingredients in it are good for brightening up your skin and moisturizing your skin and ultimately giving you a smooth and brighten up skin even in winters. So do try this out and let me know in the comment section below if this works out for you, and I thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.